Yo, this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team's called Grunt. It's another day here at Pokemon Rumble Rush. I'm outside, it's kinda noisy outside, but it's another day. And we are off to get some welcome gifts and do some Battle Royale. I'm not sure if I have to restart my game. Maybe I have to. Let's just restart our game, guys. Yo, this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And it's another day here at Pokemon Rumble Rush. I am currently outside and it's kind of noisy in here. But it's a new day. We are off to finish Battle Royale Torchic Cup. And we're off to get a super rare summon gear from our welcome gifts. So the internet is not exactly cooperating very well. But there you have it, guys. I think it's loading now. And I hope you can hear my voice. Because it's noisy in here. Background noises. Day 6. 80 diamonds. Awesome. Okay, guys, here we go. Welcome gifts here daily. I think we can now get a super rare summon gear. Let's just ignore that. Batch 3. Super rare Snorlax gear. The refinery is full, you failed me. And can I just refine something so that it's over? And let me just use these diamonds to refine this ore. We got a super rare Pikachu ore earlier by luck. I was so happy about that. Okay, guys, time to get our super rare summon gear. Body Slam gear, Snorlax level 1. Let's just screenshot that. Kyogre. Look forward to it. And let's just refine this. And probably use gems or diamonds to refine this immediately. Maybe we get the super rare here. No, we don't? Okay. And guys, gears and updates. Summon gears, sort by newest Body Slam gear. I think, guys, this is a clone. This is a worthless summon gear because there's no added effect. And what we want are those added effects, guys. We want those added effects. But anyway, let's stop complaining and just upgrade this. Yeah, I mean, okay, at least we got a super rare, but it's not those that are real, that you have a extra additional effect on those. Anyway, that's not the point of this video. This video is for Battle Royale, guys. Torchic Cup. We're going to try and finish Master Bolt here today, but I'm not sure how difficult it's gonna be up there. This is Ultra Bolt here, and we're using our strong Pokemon. We're gonna give love this. As usual, it's Lubber. So noisy in here. Summon gear's not exactly useful, but let's just give him a Volt Tackle gear. Mewtwo, give him a charge boost, even though that's not exactly very much significant. Or what does charge boost by a factor of 2? Perfect charge boost for you. And that's our team, guys. We are gonna battle right now. I trust you, Tyrant. Good luck. Tyrant MVP, show me your power. Oh my gosh, my Mewtwo is dying. My Mewtwo is dying. We won, guys. But Mewtwo, oh my gosh, you're dying. 24,800 points. Oh my gosh, you guys have to cooperate with one another. You guys have to cooperate. Ultra Ball Tier 2. The CP of the opponent is now kind of up there. We hope to still win. Let's battle. We hope to still win, guys. You have to cooperate. You have to cooperate. Oh my gosh, my Mewtwo is dying. Oh my gosh, my Mewtwo is dead. My Mewtwo is dead. Come on, attack! Attack, you stupid things! Attack! Oh my goodness. Mewtwo is unsafe. Mewtwo is not safe at all. This is scary. Okay, we got 22,800 points from that battle. And now time for the last Ultra Ball tier. I'm kind of nervous about this. Ultra Ball tier A. If Mewtwo keeps dying, oh boy, just oh boy. Let's battle in 3, 2, 1. Don't die, Mewtwo. Come on. Defeat everyone. Defeat everyone. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die, anyone. Don't die. Oh, shucks. My Tyrant is dead. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My Loveless is dying. Oh no, Mewtwo. Mewtwo. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Shit. Ah! We died. It's over. Oh no. Oh no. We got 18,400 points. That is not good. That is not good. We're going to try that again. Except maybe we have to change Mewtwo into someone else. We have a Magmar with Fire Blast. We have a Last Resort. We have a Blizzard Mamoswine. I wonder who the best character to use would be, guys. I have no idea. Let's place Magmar in there. Tyrant was supposed to be very powerful. Mamoswine. We're gonna do an extra battle. Hopefully things get better. Hopefully things get better. Hopefully things get better. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes, we won. We won, guys. We won. Oh my gosh, this is tough. This is tough as heck. 40,800 points. And that was it, guys. That is the Ultra Ball tier of Torchic Cup. We currently have 178,160 points. I'll try to do Master Ball tier in the next video. We'll see if we'll do it today or tomorrow, but it's tough. Thank you for watching.